We can't afford it. Most parents say some version of that. There are 5 money phrases almost every parent repeats. Each one quietly teaches kids the wrong lesson about money. I'll give you all 5 and the small swaps that flips each one. Starting with the one I catch myself saying most, even though I'm the one who is teaching the parents. The words are small, what your kid hears is not. People make finance for kids complicated, isn't it? Money for kids starts with the phrases they hear every day. These are the money lessons that actually stick, because you're not teaching them, you are living them. Phrase 1. Money doesn't grow on trees. Swap it for this. Let's figure out how to earn it. Here's what your kid hears in the first one. Money is scarce. It runs out. There's never enough of it. Here's what they hear in the swap. Money comes from creating something someone will pay for. Money follows value, not cost, not showing up, value. So when your kid wants something, you don't shut it down. You ask what they could make, fix, or sell to help fund it. Quick one before we keep going. Tell me in the comments which of these 5 you catch yourself saying. No judgment, I'll start. For me it's phrase number 2. Phrase 2, the one from the thumbnail. We can't afford it. Swap it for this. It's not in the budget this month. We can't afford it sounds final. To a kid it means pang, the door is closed and money is something that happens to us. It's not in the budget this month means there is a plan and this just isn't in it right now. Next month might be different. Saying no, very different lesson. One teaches scarcity, the other teaches choice. When the money talk at our house shifted from we can't to here's the plan, my daughter started running her own version of it. She'd tell me something would empty her fun money for the month. So she waited. Nobody made her this structure. Phrase 3. You don't need that. Swap it for a question. If we buy this, what do we skip? You don't need that is a verdict. It ends the conversation and usually starts an argument. If we buy this, what do we skip? Hence the decision to them. Every yes is a no to something else. That's the trade-off. This is the one real tool your kid can run on their own. Buy the game, skip the trainers. Buy the trainers, skip the game. They start weighing it themselves. If a calmer money conversation at home sounds good to you, subscribing means the next family money video finds you too. Phrase 4. We are broke. Swap it for this. We're choosing to spend on other things right now. We are broke is a scary word, not only to a kid. It sounds like the floor could drop. It teaches fear. We are choosing to spend on other things teaches calm. Money is being steered, not lost. In our house, there's one rule for money talks. No shame, no panic. The system starts from today, not from every mistake before it. Panic makes kids either scared of money or reckless with it. Calm, on the other hand, makes them curious. Curiosity is what you want. If phrase 4 landed, a like helps another tired parent find this too. Okay, back to it now. Phrase 5. Just put it on the card. Swap it for this. Let's see the money move before we buy. A card hides the money. Tap, done, nothing leaves that a kid can see. It teaches that spending is invisible and painless. Watching the money actually move makes it real. The number goes down. That feeling is the actual lesson. This is why the fun money card in our system is a debit card, not a credit card. It stops at 0 on its own. The card says no, so you don't have to. Kids who watch the money move learn to wait. And waiting on purpose is the first quiet step towards building real wealth. That's where we're heading next month. So most parents repeat these 5 phrases. The best ones swap one word. And if you have followed along, you just did it 5 times. None of this is about being the perfect parent. It's about small swaps that teach the right lesson without a single ledger. Earn it. It's in the budget. What do we skip? We are choosing, see the money move. 5 phrases, 5 better lessons. That's financial literacy for kids in 5 phrases and for parents too. Your kid is listening to how you talk about money long before they ever learn any. The words are small, what they carry is not. I put it in a free guide called The First Brick, Your Family's Complete Financial Foundation. It's a kind of like laying the foundation of a house, one brick before the roof. The link is below at smartmoney.family/firstbrick. And if you want to see the actual money system my teenager runs, the video right here breaks it down.